There seems to be so much in this construction process which is about digging under rocks to find out where the issues are. And utilities are one of those categories, where you once again need to track down what the potential issues are. And so you need to know about what kind of power you have on the site, whether you have gas, whether you have water, whether you have sewer. All these things will impact what you can do. And any one of these things can be a significant issue. So as an example, if you don't have sewer and it's a quarter mile down the way and you want to bring that sewer line to your facility, you can spend $250,000 bringing that to your site. And so nobody's going to tell you this before you start asking questions. You're going to go ahead and close on the piece of ground, for example, and you're going to be ready to start building, and all of a sudden it's going to be like, oh, by the way, you don't have sewer. And that becomes a significant issue. So some of these things you need to talk to the city about, the city or county about. Some of them you need to talk to your local utility company about, like power or gas as an example. So you need to root around and find these. So in terms of power, for example, knowing what kind of power you have on your site is relevant. You can have a single phase or you can have 3-phase, and this impacts what kind of equipment you can run in your facility or whether you might need transformers or not. Even impact what kind of x-ray machine you have. And so I can think of situations where the owner was way late in identifying this information and turned into a change order during the construction process. And that's not pleasant for anybody. So if you can get that information developed early on, you're better off. And once again, you can do it. Your electrical engineer can talk to the power company as an example. Your surveyor can talk to the city about gas and water and sewer and identify those things. So but once again, you need to take the time up front to do this. A lot of this work is a function of whether you put the time in now or you put it in later. And if you put the time in now, you can avoid the delay and the cost later on.